Now we're going to take a look at natural resources. Natural resources are an asset. They are recorded at cost, and this includes all expenditures necessary to acquire and prepare them for use. Now, the process of allocating the cost of a natural resource to the period when it was consumed is called depletion. So, similar to other assets, when we have talked in the past about plant assets, we have considered that to be depreciation. When it comes to a natural resource, this is called depletion. Now, with natural resources, they are reported on the balance sheet at cost less accumulated depletion. To calculate depletion per unit, we will take cost minus salvage value, and then we will divide that by the total units of capacity. The depletion expense will be depletion per unit times the units extracted and sold. When recording depletion expense, we will debit depletion expense and credit accumulated depletion. Now, when some of the units have remained unsold, we will debit depletion expense for the amount that was sold, and we will debit inventory for the amount unsold. We will still credit accumulated depletion. Let's take a look at an example. A company acquires a zinc mine at a cost of $750,000 on January 1st. At the same time, it incurs additional costs of $100,000 to access the mine, which is estimated to hold 200,000 tons of zinc. The estimated value of the land after the zinc is removed is $50,000. So let's prepare the January 1st entry to record the cost of the zinc mine. Remember, we are going to be recording this at the cost plus any expenditures necessary to acquire it and prepare it for use. So for the zinc mine, this included $750,000 for the cost plus the additional $100,000 in costs to access the mine for a total of $850,000, and we will credit cash for this. Next, we can prepare the December 31st year-end adjusting entry if 50,000 tons of zinc are mined, but only 40,000 are sold in the first year. To do this, we first need to calculate the depletion per unit. So we will take the cost at which we recorded it, $850,000, and we will subtract out the value or salvage value that we'll have at the end, which is 50,000. That's $800,000 in the numerator. We're going to divide that by 200,000 tons that we believe that we will get from the zinc mine, and that's going to come out to $4 per ton. So when we do the journal entry for this, we will debit the depletion expense for the zinc mine for the 40,000 that were sold at $4 a piece. This will be a debit of $160,000. We will then debit the zinc inventory for the remaining 10,000 units at $4 a piece for $40,000. We will credit accumulated depletion for the zinc mine of $200,000.